Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Park. I am a co-founder and physician of Carolina Vein Care and Aesthetics. I am an interventional radiologist by training and board certification. In fact, I have board certification in both diagnostic radiology and interventional radiology. I did my undergraduate studies at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. I then went to medical school at Temple University in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I am a native of Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Following medical school, I actually thought I was going into general surgery, and I did an internship in general surgery at Temple University hospitals. I realized then that I did not want to pursue a career in general surgery, and therefore switched gears and considered interventional radiology. So that then took me to Allegheny General Hospital in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where I did my radiology residency. And then this was followed by an interventional radiology fellowship at Northwestern Memorial Hospital in Chicago, Illinois. Following my fellowship, I was then a clinical associate interventional radiologist with University of Chicago Hospitals, where I worked at Lewis Weiss Memorial Hospital in Chicago for 2 years. Following that, I then moved to Denver, Colorado, and I was a practicing partner with Diversified Radiology Associates of Colorado. It was a large radiology group that covered about 9 hospitals in the Denver metro area, and I was an interventional radiologist practicing there. I then moved to Greenville, South Carolina, where I joined Upstate Carolina Radiology, and I was a practicing interventional radiologist primarily at St. Francis Hospital in Greenville. I then had an opportunity to work in a vein practice, in a private vein practice in the Greenville area, and I did that for several years. And then one day, Dr. Mark Jackson, who is my partner at Carolina Vein Care, he asked if I would be interested in opening up our own vein practice here in Greenville. And I said, sure. And here we are today. Gosh, it's been almost 7 years now since we opened Carolina Vein Care and Aesthetics in 2018. And that is where I plan to be for the rest of my career. What I love about my time here and coming to work every day at Carolina Vein Care and Aesthetics is interacting with first a great staff and also every patient that walks through that door looking for help for either their painful varicose veins or their unsightly spider veins that affect their self-confidence. Also, their veins in their face and hands that also affect their self-confidence. Also, the patients that seek treatments for body sculpting, again, helping with their self-esteem and self-confidence. All of those interactions are very rewarding to me because I know that it's something that I can help them with, help them get really great results, and be very, very pleased with their outcomes. And I love to be on that journey with them, to be able to offer these services in such a soothing, welcoming environment, such as what we have here at Carolina Vein Care. There's no issues with trying to find a place to park. You don't have to find your way through, numerous halls and doorways at hospitals. It's very streamlined, very professional, and a very warm environment to seek those types of treatments. So I'm very proud to say that we started this from nothing and have built it into a very reputable practice. We hope that many patients and referring physicians learn about us and know that there are options for their patients and options for the patients themselves who are seeking help with their varicose veins and their other cosmetic issues.